Happy New Year, everyone. It's the first video of the year, and welcome to 2026. And everybody, if you've watched our previous videos, you'll know my name's Trevor, and this is
Lori. Why are we sharing these numbers? Because we like watching these type of videos too. We do think it is helpful because a lot of people, when you hear dividends, you think of, 50 cents, 25 cents, $1.50.
50 cents?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah, I'm sure he gets dividends on something.
Oh, probably. So, it sounds very piddly when you think of it like that, but we just want to show you that you can actually live off these dividends if you play your cards right and are smart with what you purchase in stocks, like Dividend Kings, that continually grow their dividend as well as also grow their stock. So that's why we're doing this, because we think it's going to help somebody just to kind of see that it is an option.
Just to let you know, we are not financial advisors. We want to share what we've learned over the last couple of years. So.
And we're just sharing you our personal story and our personal journey, and you can take that information, do what you want with it, do your own research. So we're just not giving you financial advice. Okay guys, so what is a dividend? If you're not familiar with what it is, basically it's a portion of the profit that a company uses or shares with their stockholders. So basically once a company is doing well, instead of reinvesting all that money back into the company, which they do a big portion of it, but they save a little bit. So they save a little bit of that earnings, and then they share it with all the people who have stocks with them. So obviously the more stocks you have, the more dividends you'll get. So that's basically what a dividend is.
It's like we get an allowance every month.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. For owning a piece of the pie.
That's right.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I have my allowance, please?
Yeah. Okay, so let's get into the numbers. This is the juicy part.
That's right. That's right. Obviously, we're into 2026 now. So we're going to look back as far as 2024. That was our first year that we started kind of playing around with things. So in 2024, it was the first quarter, we made very little because it wasn't huge. We were just kind of getting rolling on it. So it's January to March, first quarter, and we made $104.60 in dividends.
So not much, but yeah. The thing is, like Trevor said, we were just kind of moving some of we didn't really know how we would do, so we just kind of put a little bit of money, play money, if you will, just to see how, you kind of have to figure it out, right? Kind of have to start somewhere. And then fast forward to this quarter, so January, February, March of this year, well, last year, 2025, because it's already 2026 today.
Yeah, because remember I said Happy New Year?
Yes, that's right, I forgot. Yeah. So 2025, we made $4,330, so $4,300 in that quarter. So it's a huge change from the $100. So that just goes to show with compound interest. Plus we were putting money in as well off of our pay, every bi-weekly pay or whatever, right?
Yeah, and at that point we had everything, all our other pensions, everything transferred over as well. So second quarter, April, May, June in 2024, it went up $2,154. And that was the second quarter. So there you look, it's getting up, right?
And then the second quarter of this year, 2025, it went up to $4,400. So basically double from the quarter last year.
So you'll see how things are going up and down, right? Third quarter, summer months, July, August, September. In 2024, we made $3,326 in those 3 months in 2024.
And then 2025, we made $68.52. So again, double. With all that dividends that you get every month, you're buying more stocks, which then give more dividends. So it's constantly just snowballing. Like it's not just like you're adding the $1,000. It's like you're adding the $1,000, but the next month's $1,020. The next month's $1,050. So it's really rolling up pretty quick.
Yeah, you'd be amazed how fast it'll grow.
Yeah. And we don't even have everything. Like these are just the dividend stocks that we're talking about today. So yeah, it really does grow a lot.
Yeah. So you're going to make money on other things as well with the stocks. And we're just talking about dividends today. Last quarter, October, November, December, we made $3,700 $3,757 in the fourth quarter. And that's a bit of a change there. So you'll see things go up and down. But
then 2025, we made 75.43. So again, more than double. Yeah, so it really does go up. The other thing too, I was going to say, some companies have cut their dividends. We have encountered it a few times where dividends, we were expecting something and it got cut. So it does happen, just not that often. So that's why it's really important to not only pick a stock based on their dividend amount. You could pick a dud, and a company that's offering all this dividends, you go and buy it, and then next thing you know, you lose all your investment because you only went after dividends, you didn't do your research, you didn't learn about the company, and you had your eyes on the prize, and boom, the whole company. Then you lost your whole entire investment. So you have to make sure you really do your research. Pick the right companies. Don't just pick based on dividends. And the other thing is dividend. Some companies pay dividends weekly. I don't think there's daily, right? So it's just weekly, and then there's monthly, quarterly, bi-yearly, and yearly, or biannually, and then annually. So all those things, it's not a huge difference with the dividends, because they'll still give you what it would have been for the year, divided by 12 or whatever. The only thing I would say is that you're able to get into the market and buy the shares as they're lower if you were paid monthly or quarterly. So instead of waiting the entire year, that stock could have already climbed up a couple of percent, right? And then all of a sudden, at the end of the year, you get your dividend, and now you're buying it at a higher price. So had they given it to you quarterly, you could have purchased those stocks quarterly as the price is going up, not when it's already up. But I mean, it's hard to time everything perfectly. Yeah. So you just just look at a stock. If you believe in it, doesn't matter when their dividends is.
And just take note too, is you don't have to worry every month when you get a dividend about having to go back on and reinvest it in. You can set up your account so that it automatically drips into it. It just reinvests it automatically. Like I'll get an email that say, okay, you're in a dividend today, and then half an hour later I'll get another one. Your dividend's been reinvested.
Yeah, easy breezy.
Easy, you don't have to do anything. So yeah,
that's it.
It's pretty straightforward. I'm no rocket scientist. She's more than I am.
But I learned all this. So keep in mind, so I have been investing since I was 18, but not personally deciding on the stock. So I just signed up to the mutual fund at the bank, not knowing what I was doing. Just take out the money every paycheck and let them figure it out. And then fast forward, so many years, and then it was just 2024 that I started to figure it out. So you can do it too. That's why these videos are great. You take a little bit of nuggets from every person that you watch doing these videos, and you get little information that you can go and do your own research. There's so much to look at in a dividend, when you're looking at those, and we don't know all the answers yet. So that's why we're coming along. You can come along on our journey, and you can see if we reach our financial freedom number, which was 2027. That's our goal, to retire. So we'll see. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy this video and it was helpful to you. Please leave a comment down below and let me know if that is your goal, to retire off dividends as well. And give the video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see this shiny face. Thanks for watching.
Shiny head as well.
Yeah, that too.
Yes.
Okay. See you.
See you later. See ya.